In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best Kwgt widget packs for Android users. We'll take a closer look at how these widget packs can enhance your Android home screen. Pacific Kwgt. Pacific Kwgt is a dynamic widget pack for Android users that offers a sleek and modern design aesthetic. With a variety of customizable widgets, Pacific Kwgt allows users to personalize their home screens with unique and eye-catching designs. Whether you're looking for a clock widget, weather forecast, or system monitor, Pacific Kwgt has you covered. The widgets are easy to set up and can be customized to match your preferred color scheme and style. Overall, Pacific Kwgt is a great choice for users who want to enhance the look and functionality of their Android home screens. Apple Widget Kwgt. Apple Widget Kwgt is a widget pack inspired by the clean and minimalist design of Apple's widgets. This widget pack offers a collection of widgets that mimic the style of Apple's widgets, allowing Android users to achieve a similar look on their devices. From weather widgets to time and date widgets, Apple Widget Kwgt provides a range of options to customize your home screen. Users can adjust the colors, sizes, and information displayed on the widgets to suit their preferences. If you're a fan of Apple's design aesthetic and want to replicate it on your Android device, Apple Widget Kwgt is a great choice. Cardify Kwgt. Cardify Kwgt is a widget pack that features a card-based design, adding a unique and visually appealing element to your home screen. With a variety of widgets in different shapes and sizes, Cardify Kwgt allows users to create a layered and organized look on their home screens. Whether you need a widget for displaying the calendar, battery status, or music player controls, Cardify Kwgt offers a range of options to choose from. The widgets can be easily customized to match your preferred color palette and style, giving you the flexibility to create a personalized home screen that suits your taste. And there you have it, 3 fantastic Kwgt widget packs to level up your Android home screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.